Hello, I'm Sebastian Robic, Senior Research and Innovation Manager at InterDigital, a global research and innovation company focused on wireless, video, and AI. I'm proud to introduce this milestone from InterDigital and Türk Telekom, as we have together achieved the world's first implementation of collaborative cellular and Wi-Fi sensing using a proposed 6G architecture. Let me show you how this innovation will impact how future networks connect and sense the world around us. This demo is built on a pillar of 6G called ISAC, or Integrated Sensing and Communication. ISAC builds upon mobile network capabilities to both communicate and sense its environment at the same time. In simple terms, the same radio waves that enable devices to communicate wirelessly can also detect presence, motions, and objects in a privacy-preserving way. Traditionally, sensing has relied on a single custom-made system, such as radar at airports or proximity sensors in your car. But as it scales, with the addition of sensing to mobile networks can face coverage gaps and resource constraints. That's where our collaboration with Türk Telekom stands out. Our breakthrough combines cellular and Wi-Fi networks as complementary sensing technologies and implements them using a proposed 6G architecture. By fusing sensing data from cellular and Wi-Fi systems, we improve accuracy, enhance resilience, and maintain continuity for an array of sensing services. Let me briefly explain how it works. Leveraging Türk Telekom's 6G lab, we conducted cellular sensing in frequency range 1 at 4.2 GHz and Wi-Fi sensing in frequency range 2 at 60 GHz. The proposed 6G system collects sensing data from both sources, and that sensing data is then fused and processed in the core network to detect human presence indoors in near real time with greater accuracy than with cellular sensing only. Using radio signals that are already part of cellular and Wi-Fi networks help make this innovation commercially viable and scalable. This matters because collaborative sensing unlocks entirely new services. In manufacturing, it enables higher resolution monitoring of factory floors for automated production lines. In healthcare, it supports precise patient monitoring without requiring wearable devices. And it enhances situational awareness by improving coverage and accuracy while preserving privacy and reducing reliance on visual sensors. Imagine smart buildings that understand occupancy in real time, or hospitals that monitor patient movement passively and safely. This is the foundation of privacy-preserving intelligent spaces. This achievement reflects the power of partnership. Türk Telekom brings real-world operator expertise, and InterDigital brings leadership in advanced 6G research and ISAC innovation. Together, we are validating an early 6G architecture and proving that sensing-enabled systems can scale. This milestone is just the beginning, and our future begins now. Our collaborative sensing milestone shows that tomorrow's networks won't just deliver faster speeds, they'll be more intelligent, responsive, and aware of the environment they serve, which unlocks a lot of potential for the future. We invite you to experience this exciting innovation with us.